Hi, in this video I will show you how to use the graph page more efficiently. Let's plot y equals to x squared and y equals to x plus 3. When the graph entry bar is not visible or when you need to enter more graphs, you can simply press Tab key. By using the touchpad, you can grab and translate the graphs. It is the fastest way to see your window without zooming in or out. You can also grab and move the labels and the coordinates when there are overlaps. Let's practice some shortcuts. Control menu will give us more options. Deleting all is one of them. Let's delete. If you change your mind, you can always undo it by pressing Ctrl Z, and here are our graphs. Let's press menu and see the available options. Trace is one of the options that we will be using frequently. You can trace graphs all together, or you can trace them one by one. Up and down keys help you to choose the functions that you want to trace. And left and right arrow keys moves the pointer on the functions. I want to point out the icon at the top left corner. This indicates the tool in use. You can press Escape to quit from this tool. Tracing is helpful to find x and y intercepts, however, not very helpful for point of intersections. Trace step is automatically set until you change it manually. Menu, trace, and trace step helps you to do it. As you see, x value increases by 0.2. Analyzing is probably the most important tool for DP pseudonyms. When you need to find stationary points or point of intersection, you need to select this option. Our parabola is a parent function with a vertex at origin, but let's verify it. First, we need to select the graph, then define lower and upper bound. Here's our minimum point. Let's find points of intersection. There are two ways. Analyze is one of them. It helps us to find these points one by one. Define the interval that you want, and here's one of them. One more time. And here's the second point. Let's learn another method to find all points of intersection at once. Menu, geometry, points, and intersection points will provide us. Look at the icon. We need to click on the graphs one by one, and then we can find all the points at once. As you see at the top left corner, a tool is selected. Let's press Escape to quit. If you think you will need these values later, you can always store them. Click on them once, press Variable, Store Variable, and X1 one of them. Variable, Store Variable, and X2 the other one. Let's open a calculator screen. As you can see, you can use them for any type of calculations. While the cursor is on one of the graphs, you can click Control menu for more options. And these options include deleting them, hiding them, changing color, and many more. Let's hide one of them. As you see, intersection points are still there because my equation is already stored. You can always enable it when you press Tab and scroll up, and you can click to make it visible or invisible. Thanks for watching. See you at another tutorial.